Dear students, today let us begin with another wonderful poem which is titled Trees. This poem is written by Shirley Bower. So let us know about the poetess of this poem. Shirley Bower was born in the year 1944. Her notable works are A Wild Ride Up in the Cupboards, Forgiveness for You, etc. She has also worked as a writing professor, a food critic, a novelist, a journalist and an advertising copywriter. Poetess Shirley Bower here explains in the poem the benefits of trees in our life. Trees play a very essential role in the lives of all. Let us acknowledge it. I have divided this poem for easy explanation into 4 lines each. So first I would read out the lines and then tell you about them very briefly. So to begin with, let us start with the first 4 lines. Trees are for birds. Trees are for children. Trees are to make tree houses in. Trees are to swing swings on. Trees are for the birds, which means they make nests on their trees and spend their life there. Trees are also for the children. They love to make tree houses on them and live in it. And they also love to hang their swings on them. So the next 4 lines are: trees are for the wind to blow through. Trees are to hide behind in hide and seek. Trees are to have tree parties under. Trees are for kites to get caught in. When the wind blows, we can see that the trees are swaying, which means moving very happily in the direction of the wind. They love the wind to pass through them. Next, we can also see the children playing hide and seek and hiding behind the trees many times. It is a very common view in parks and other areas. We can also see elderly people having tea parties under these beautiful trees. It's a very beautiful scene. We can also, when we fly kites, we can see that the kites get caught in the trees. The next 4 lines are: trees are to make cool shade in summer. Trees are to make no shade in winter. Trees are for apples to grow on and pears. Trees are to chop down and call timber. Here we can see that timber. What does timber mean? Timber refers to the wood which we get for making our furnitures, our cupboards and many other things which is made up of wood. So here trees make cool shade in summer, which means it gives us the coolness during summer. And we love to sit under these trees during summer. Trees do not make any shade in winter, which refers to that like during the winter season it's cold and trees don't give us shade so that the sun rays fall on us directly. Trees also bear very tasty fruits. If we have seen any nursery, we can see many trees, like many plants which bear fruits like apples, pears, papayas and so on. These are also usually chopped down to make furnitures, houses and so on. Here the word timber is dragged as timber, which refers to the sound by which these trees are cut. And it is done by various machines or various tools which we can use to do it. Trees make mothers say, "What a lovely picture to paint." Trees make fathers say, "What a lot of leaves to rake this fall." So, by this stanza of this poem, we understand that mothers always look into the beauty of the picture, like beauty of the nature. As described here, we can see that this beautiful tree, when it's painted by the daughter or by the son, it would be really amazing to see the painted picture. It would be really a lovely picture to paint, is exclaimed by the mother. And also, as we go into the concern of the father, he says that when in the autumn season these leaves fall from the trees, it becomes all the leaves you can see fall under the tree, and to gather them and also to keep them aside is a tough job which has to be done. So dear students, let us have a look into the question answers of this poem. Question 1. The first 4 lines of the poem say that birds, children and people make use of trees. How do they do this? Answer. Children tie swings from the branches of the tree and swing. They play hide and seek, hiding behind the trees. They fly kites on the tree. People have tea parties under the tree shade. Question 2. Why do trees make noise sometimes? Answer: when the wind blows, the leaves of the tree rustles and makes noise. Question 3. When do children complain about trees? Answer: when the kites get caught in the trees, the children complain. Question 4. Where do the hikers look for cool shades in summer? Answer: in summer, hikers look for cool shades under the tree. Question 5. Why is mother happy to see trees? Answer: mother is happy to see a lovely picture in the tree to paint. Question 6. Why does father grumble about his tree? Answer: father grumbles because he has to rake up the fallen dead leaves. Question 7. Which word suggests the sound of an electric saw? Answer: timber. I hope you have understood the poem along with the question answers. Thank you.